How to find and install Easy Anti-Cheat on PC. In this video, I'll show you how to find and install Easy Anti-Cheat on PC. So, Easy Anti-Cheat is a background service developed by Epic Games that prevents cheating in online multiplayer games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, Elden Ring, and Dead by Daylight. It runs silently while you play and shutdowns when the game ends. So to be able to find and install EAC on PC, the most common way would be through installing a game that using EAC. So for example, you will install Fortnite. So you'll be able to get EAC as well since EAC is bundled with the game installation. So to look for that, you need to locate the game's installation folder. So go ahead and open your file manager and look for the program files of the specific application that you've used. So if you're using Epic Games, you can go ahead and look for C program files, Epic Games, and the game name. So inside the game folder, look for Easy Anti-Cheat and then double click Easy Anti-Cheat underscore setup exa. Choose your game from the drop down and click install or repair service. This ensures EAC loads properly when launching the game. And that is how you can basically find and install Easy Anti-Cheat on PC.